After our Honda Bay Island tour in Palawan, big waves suddenly hit the port. Hirap kaming bumaba ng bangka dahil sa lakas ng alon. Buti na lang nandun ang Coast Guard at tinulungan kaming bumaba isa-isa. This happened on March 13, 2026. The next day, all Honda Bay Island tours and the underground river tours were canceled because of the strong waves. Nakakatakot man. We're thankful we made it back safely. Our Honda Bay Island hopping in Palawan became an unforgettable experience when strong waves suddenly hit the port while we were returning from the tour. Thanks talaga sa mga Coast Guard because we got back safely. Naman yung pamangkin ko na si Kilua, halos lipa rin ng hangin kahit malaki na siyang bata. Ingat kayo guys sa mga mag-island hopping din sa Palawan.